In this video, I'm going to explain how to register with the Excel file for company A, better known as LCSF or CU Coin, China Universal Coin. First thing you need to do is go to our Facebook page, LCF Dream Team. You go to the file section and there you download the file LCF blank example. With this file you can register yourself or the people that you have sponsored. After you have downloaded the Excel file, you can start registering yourself and the people you are the sponsor for. In the first field you put your name. So if your name is Peter Smith, you first put your last name and then your first name. Like this, Smith Peter. You put your gender, M for male or F for female. You put your mobile number in international format here. Your mobile number is very important. Why? The company will send you an SMS with your login information on your mobile cell phone number. After that, you put your passport or government ID number. This code 12345 you leave the same. And here you put the passport ID number of your sponsor. After this you put the sponsor's name. Again, the last name first and then the first name. If you don't have a sponsor, you can use this information. And here you put the username that you would like to have for your account. So, for instance, create a username that is very unique. Don't put a username like Peter, because everybody will probably want to have the username Peter. If that username that you provide does not exist, the company will create a username for you. And as last, you put your email address. In this example, you see on the second row here that there are some mistakes. The mobile number here is not correct put in the correct way. It has to be like this. No plus, but 0031 for the Netherlands. Your passport number should not contain spaces, dashes, minuses, semicolons, whatever. It must be very clean. So remove all these things in your ID number and provide your number like this. And now it's correctly in the Excel sheet. Just continue gathering all your people in Excel file, and end of the month when you have your list, it can be 2, it can be 1, but it can also be 200 or 1000. You send it to the email address which is provided in our Facebook group LCF Dream Team. How do you build a team with LCSF CU Coin? Very important when you want to build a team. You need at least 20 people that you have sponsored yourself. After you have reached the number of 20 people that you have sponsored yourself, you can start building a team. Within the 20 people that you have sponsored yourself, you have to find at least 6 people that will also sponsor 20 people at least. Here you can see it. You have sponsored 20 people, and 6 of these people also have at least 20 people. But to be able to get a 1-star level, you need 200 people in total. As you can see here, the total of yourself and all these people here are not 200. But if your leaders continue sponsoring other people, your total team eventually will have more than 200 people, as you can see here. Leader 1 has sponsored person 1, leader 2 has sponsored person 2, leader 3 has sponsored person 3, and they also have sponsored in total 20, 15, 15, which has a total of 210 people. So this total team with you on top has more than 200 people, and you have received the 1-star level as a leader. If you want to continue to 2-star, to become a 2-star leader, your 6 leaders here have to do the same with what you have done. So they also need in total 200 people, as you can see here with leader number 5. He has to duplicate or replicate the same thing you have done. He needs at least 200 people with himself, and if all your 6 people here have 200 people under them, you will advance to be a 2-star level, and your leaders will be 1-star level. So how do you use the Excel file? Everyone within the team collects their own persons within the Excel file. As you can see here, All these persons send their Excel file to their leaders. So the leaders collect all the Excel files from their team. Once the leaders have collected the Excel files from their team, they send their Excel files to their leader. So that will be you. As you can see here, you will receive all the Excel files and you combine these Excel files to one big file and you send this file to register at cucoin.eu. End of the month. That's it.